Friends, last we complete exercise 7.3. Now here we discuss about combination. Remember this combination. Combination is a one type of selection of a given things. So number of selection of all things or some things from given things is called combination. Remember this here, number of selection of n things taken r at a time is denoted by NCR. Clear? Or sometimes we use NCR, or sometimes this type of a symbol given here, combination of NCR. Now here theorem number 5 given, NPR is equal to NCR into R factorial, where 0 less than R less than or equal to N. From this here we get the formula of NCR. So NCR is equal to NPR upon R factorial, and we know that NPR is equal to N factorial upon N minus R factorial into R factorial. So remember this formula of NCR. NCR is equal to N factorial upon N minus R factorial into R factorial. Now important notes, remember this, selection of n things out of n things is equal to 1. Next, selection of 0 things out of given n things is equal to also 1. Clear? Same, NCR is equal to, remember this, NCR is equal to NC n minus R. That is the selection of R object out of n object, and selection of n minus R object out of n object becomes same. Clear? Now theorem number 6. Remember this important formula, NCR plus NC R minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. Important formula, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. Now here we discuss about solution of question of exercise 7.4. Question first, if NC8 is equal to NC2, then find NC2. NC8 is equal to NC2. So remember this here, NC8 is equal to NC2 given. So here we apply formula of NCR is equal to NCR n minus R. NCR is equal to NC n minus R. We know that. So apply any side. Here we get NC8 is equal to NC n minus 2. And we know that selection of 8 object out of n object and n minus 2 object out of n object same. So selected number also same, that is 8 is equal to n minus 2. Therefore 2 take this side, so n is equal to 8 plus 2, that is a 10. Clear? Now next question, question number 2. Determine and if number 1 to NC3 ratio NC2 is equal to 12 ratio 1. To NC3 ratio NC2 is equal to 12 ratio 1 given. So therefore to NC3 is equal to, we know that formula, 2n factor upon 2n minus 3 factor into 3 factor, and division change into multiplication, and NC2 is equal to, we know that first write this denominator taking reciprocal of this formula of NC2. You know that NC2 is equal to n factor upon n minus 2 factor into 2 factor, and we change this division into multiplication. Then we take reciprocal of this, that is n factor upon n minus 2 factor into 2 factor is equal to 12 ratio 2, that is 12 upon 1, 12 ratio 1. Okay. Therefore now simplify this. 2n factorial is equal to 2n, second 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, and 2n minus 3 factorial. Here in a denominator given 2n minus 3 factorial, so expand up to 2n minus 3 factorial upon 2n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1 into here n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1 upon here n factorial given, so expand up to n minus 2, so n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial is equal to 12 upon 1. Now simplify this. 2 take common from this, here we get a 4 into n into 2n minus 1. Here from both numerator denominator 2n minus 3 factorial cancel, here 2 take common, so here we get n minus 1. Okay, upon here 3 into 2 into 1, 3 into 2 into 1 into here n minus 2 from both numerator denominator cancel, so here we get 2 into 1 upon n minus 1 is equal to 12 upon 1. Here from both n cancel, 2 also cancel, so we get n minus 1 also cancel. 3 take this side, so 2n minus 1 is equal to 12, 3, 36. 4 take this side, so divide by 4. So therefore 2n minus 1 is equal to 36 upon 4, so equal to 9. Therefore 1 take this side, so 2n is equal to become 10. Therefore n is equal to 5. Clear? Next, 2nc3 ratio nc3 is equal to 11 gem 1. Here 2nc3 is equal to, we know that 2n factorial upon 2n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial, division change into multiplication, apply formula of nc3 n factorial upon n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial is equal to 11 upon 1. And applying the same method as we apply in first, get an answer. Here 2n factorial expand up to 2n minus 3. So 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3. Then write a factorial. Here 3 factorial from both cancel. So here we get 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 factorial upon 2n minus 3 factorial into n factorial. Here okay, and n minus 3 also given, n minus 3 factorial is equal to 11. So is equal to 11 upon 1. Therefore, now simplify this. 2n minus 1. 2 take common from this. Here we get a 4 into n. Here 2n minus 1. Here n minus 1. And 2n minus 1, 3 from both cancel. N minus 3 factorial. Here n factorial expand up to n minus 3. So terms we have n minus 1, n minus 2, and n minus 3 factorial. N minus 3 factorial from both cancel. So in numerator denominator we have n minus 1, n minus 2 is equal to 11 upon 1. Here n cancel, n minus 1 cancel. So 4 take inside. So 4 to 8 n minus 4 is equal to n minus 2 take this side. So 11n minus 22. Okay. Therefore 8n take this side. So 11 minus 8 become 3n is equal to 22 take this side. So 22 plus minus 4 becomes 18. Therefore n is equal to 6. Clear? So important question. Now remaining question we solve in a next lecture. Okay, bye.